can't.
You can't.
Snowplow.
What's that?
It's
Oh
a
my
first.
gosh, it's an Ada County snowplow. Holy
With
smoke.
Bronco colors.
Yeah, with Bronco colors. And they're actually throwing stuff down.
Thank God. I mean, think about what tomorrow would be like for most people if they don't do something.
Yeah, no kidding.
Should go down the middle.
I guess so they don't cover up the sidewalk as they're
Probably,
shooting
yeah.
everything off to the side. That'd be my guess.
Or maybe slow down so it's not. He's probably going 45, 40.
30.
We're going 30. He's going faster than that.
About the same distance.
Do you have a heater in here? Is it dirt? It'd be fun to be a snowblower.
I know. Big old stogie.
You know who I saw walking to Winco yesterday?
Bob.
What's his name? The guy. Is that
Crazy
his
Bob.
name? Is it Bob? The guy in the corner?
He walks everywhere.
I know, I felt bad. It was snowing and
He's got nothing
stay
else to
upright.
do.
I know, he's trying to stay upright. His Christmas tree on the side of the road. Really?
It fell off their truck.
Pushed it.
expensive than that.
What's that?
Doggy.
Oh, a pet thing.
Pet because Petco's right
yeah,
there.
I just realized. No, I called Margaret because I thought, you know what? She might need one. I didn't call any other neighbors though. I didn't call Mary. Oh, I don't have her number, darn. Didn't call Ron. Don't have his number either. Forgot. Tires are caked with snow. Are you going to get a donut? I better not. We don't need a donut. Why'd you even bring it up then?
Because it's Sunday. And we're not at church, so we should be.
They're closing churches.
I know.
I saw it on the news. Yeah, they have like 3 pallets out in front, and they're all half empty.
At where?
At Winco, by the checkout.
Oh, okay.
You should drive over there so you don't get
Get all wet.
got your car dirty too, didn't we?
It was dirty.
And it's going to stay that way.
I'd like to be Mark and Lisa driving home from Sandpoint.
Thank you. It's going to be a long drive.
It took them 7.5 hours to get up there, so they must
I hope they
have
started
got lucky.
early today. Are they coming back
I
today
have no idea. I would think they're skiing today and driving back tonight
or tomorrow?
or tomorrow.
What's in Sandpoint?
Schweitzer.
Well, I didn't know. Like, did they go for?
I think they just went for the weekend.
Just to
I
go?
mean, they could be up there for a conference. Who knows? Could be something to work. I was trying to figure out where they were based on the picture he took, because he sent a picture saying a view from our condo and there was water out front. I thought, that's not Targhee. Mountains aren't big enough. And I was trying to think of where it was. I thought maybe McCall, but it wasn't. I wouldn't have guessed
It's
Sandpoint.
another snowplow.
Yeah, that's a state. Those are state plows.
2 in a row within 30 minutes.
Back on to drive through the development.
Why?
And send this to Shannon.
Oh. She's gone through there to find.
It's in here. I think it's right
No,
in here.
but-
The first street. That dead ends. I think it's in there. Okay. Hmm.
Oh yeah. This trash didn't come over here.
Either that, I just haven't put their cans back in.
Well, their Christmas tree's sitting out too.
Oh, yeah.
So's theirs. So's theirs. Maybe they have a special tree pickup.
They might. Push cars out.
It's old enough, it could be. Should go out. See, there's more Christmas wreaths.
Yeah, see?
Look how bad that
Those
looks.
guys
Look
have
at
their
that.
lights up.
Well, duh, they're gonna have their lights up.
Look at they have their wreaths up.
I know, but it's like
You made me take
over.
ours down.
That's right.
Oh, humbug.
That's right.
See, knocking them off doesn't do anything for the ice dam up top.
No, but
Makes them feel better.
yeah.
See, this is the highest point of the development here. So I'm wondering how.
There's somebody shoveling your old sidewalk. Maybe you should stop and help.
Right. Oh, they got one of those stupid shovels. I hated those things.
I had one. It was
Whoever
terrible.
invented those.
About kill your back.
Yeah, that was work. They didn't really plow up here, did they?
And they did.
Well, it's not any better.
This isn't just from driving, flattening it out. I think they came through. Because look at the mail. I mean, they've piled it all
They
up.
can't get through there.
No,
for
they
mail.
can't. But I'm saying
Yeah.
they've piled it all up along the sidewalk, which is not very helpful. But what do you want? You want to be able to drive, or do you want your mail?
Exactly. I'd rather have fish in the pond.
They're probably frozen right now. Those fish won't live this year, will they? Those fish won't live this year, will
Yeah,
they?
they will.
You think?
Yeah.
In that pond down below where it's frozen?
Mm-hmm. They go into a suspended animation. Not bad. This is still bad. Well, we don't live all the way up in there. Get out of this quicker.
Forgot to look for how many snowbirds. Oh, I gotta call Margaret too.
Come on.
She's gonna open up her garage door. Because she had some snowfall. So by owner.
Oh, that's been.
Is that the same one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, there's a snowblower.
Yeah.
That's a nice one. He does.
I don't know.
Oh, look at that. Elder Landon got home.
Elder Landon.
Elder Landon.
Oh, I wonder if that's why the cars are all parked up here on Park Forest on Sundays. Hi, we're just about there. We're just on coming up. Oh, stop. Just open your door. That's payment enough. No. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. Bye.
Hold on.
No, every
Cars.
Sunday there's like two. I mean, this is solid cars.
Well, they're Mormon. They always.
No, I know, but they must have a meeting at their house every
kids
Sunday.
maybe.
I don't know.
They usually don't do that.
Well, it's every Sunday when Roxy and I walk up that way. I don't want anybody seeing me snow melt to her
I mean,
house.
back up.
No, don't
I can
get in her
back
No,
in.
don't get in her driveway.
Well, then